action. All right, we have take 3 here of Telemachus Awesome's attempt at solving a Rubik's Cube, one of the best in the 8th grade in the state of Wisconsin. Patrick is currently scrambling it, and then Tele will see how fast he can solve it. He has 15 seconds to examine the cube once it is done being scrambled, and then he will give her a go. Is it good, Pat? All right, your 15 seconds to examine starts, Tele. And then whenever you're ready. And there you have it, folks. 17 seconds. Don't think I could do it in 17 minutes. Impressive, Tele.